Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. Welcome here in mathematics class of grade 4, and here is your mathematics teacher Miss Amara with you. My dear students, our today's topic is based on prime factorization by division method. As I hope you all remember that in previous lesson we had learned another method of the prime factorization, and that was the factor tree method. And today we have to learn that how we can factorize a number by using the prime numbers by division method. So first of all, the objectives of our today's lesson are that we shall be able to understand the difference between composite and prime numbers, because here we are using only prime numbers as we are doing the prime factorization, and we shall be able to solve for prime factorization by using division method. So my dear students, let's learn that what is the division method. It's an easy method that is used to break up the large numbers into their prime factors, that is called division method. My dear students, whenever we have the smaller number like less than 100, then most of the times we usually use that factor tree method. But when we have the bigger numbers, then we always use the division method, because it's the easiest method to break up the large numbers into their prime factors. So let's learn about the prime factorization by using division method. So what is prime factorization? Prime factorization of a number means that the number is expressed as a product of prime factors. Now let us use upside down division method and do the prime factorization. So let us solve this example. Here we have to find the factors of 540 using the division method of prime factorization. So how do we start? We shall find the smallest possible number which exactly divides 540 without any remainder. As we can see that 540 is an even number, so we can start the division by 2, which is the smallest prime number. So we shall do the division by 2, and we have to write the quotient here at the downside. So 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, and 2 zeros are 0. And here we got the quotient as 270. Again, the quotient is even number. So we can do the division by the smallest even prime number, that is 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, and 2 fives are 10. So we get the quotient here as 135. Now this is an odd number, so we cannot divide this to divide 135 by 2. So let us divide it by 3. 3 fours are 12 and 3 fives are 15. So now again we got an odd number. So now we have to try with the smallest odd prime number. And yes, that is exactly divisible by 3. Let's use 3 here. 3 ones are 3, 3 fives are 15. We got the quotient again, which is an odd number, that is 15. Let's divide it further. So it is divisible by 3 again. 3 fives are 15. Now we got 5, which is again a prime number. So we can divide it by itself, that is 5 times 1 is 5. And here you can see that all the factors are the prime numbers. 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, and don't forget 5 also. So here what we did, we have expressed the number 540 as the product of only prime factors, which are 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, and 5. So the prime factorization of 540 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. And here all the factors are prime numbers. So we did the prime factorization of 540 and we get these prime factors. I hope, my dear students, you understood about the division method also. So my dear students, now you have to try some numbers, that how you can break them into the prime factors. So let's look at the summary, that what did we learn today. First we did the number by the smallest prime number, which divides the number exactly. Then we divide the quotient again by the smallest or the next smallest prime number. If it is not exactly divisible by the smallest prime number, then we repeat the process again and again till the quotient becomes 1. As in the previous example, you had seen that we got 5 at the end. So you can divide 5 by 5, then your quotient will be 1 there. So my dear students, always remember that we use only prime factors to divide. We multiply all the prime factors, and remember the product must be the number itself. So let's end our lesson with a beautiful saying as always. One important lesson in maths that we can apply in our lives. Always be careful with the signs. Yes. So I hope you understood all the things. Thank you all of you, my dear students. Take care. Allah Hafiz.